Pros and cons of ATM business. Imagine waking up every morning and seeing extra money in your bank account without working a second job. Sounds amazing, right? That's the dream a lot of people have when they hear about starting an ATM business. But is it really that simple? Today, we're talking about the real pros and cons of owning an ATM business so you can decide if it's right for you. Part 1. The pros of ATM business. Let's kick things off with the good news. Pro 1. Semi-passive income. Once your machine is installed and working, you're making money all day, every day. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just sleeping, you're still earning. Pro 2. Simple and easy to start. Starting an ATM business is simple. 5 basic steps. Fill out your paperwork. Choose your ATM machine. Find a good location. Set your surcharge. Install, and start earning. No complicated sales. No long training. Pro 3. Low expenses, high profits. Most of the money you make is pure profit. Aside from small costs like receipt paper and occasional maintenance, the money you collect is yours. And if you want more income, add a few more machines. Pro 4. Long-term business opportunity. Even though more people use digital payments, cash isn't going away anytime soon. Plus, you can always upgrade your machine to a Bitcoin ATM in the future if you want. Now, are you ready for the flip side? Before you rush out and buy an ATM, let's talk about the other side of the story. Part 2, the cons of ATM business. Con 1, it still requires work. Running an ATM business is simple, but it's not 100% hands-off. You'll need to find good locations, build relationships with business owners, refill the machine with cash and paper, handle maintenance and repairs. It's low effort, but not zero effort. Con 2, upfront costs and risks. Like any business, you'll have some startup costs. You'll need to buy your ATM, maybe pay rent if it's in a mall or busy spot, and get insurance if you want extra protection. The good news, if your first location doesn't work, you can move your ATM somewhere else. Con 3, background check. Also, you'll need to pass a background check. If you have a felony or financial crime on your record, you won't be able to legally run an ATM business. Conclusion, wrap up with final tip. So, is owning an ATM business a smart move? If you're looking for a flexible, low-maintenance way to build semi-passive income and you're willing to put in a little work up front, then the ATM business could be a perfect fit. Start small, choose smart locations, and stay consistent. The semi-passive income you want could be closer than you think. Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.